Here is how we can share anything from the Android device to the iPhone. Let me give you the way which I personally prefer and I use a lot of times. So let's get started. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So obviously we have the AirDrop, which shares files between Apple devices, and we have Quick Share, which shares things between Samsungs or Androids, right? And if we want to connect these two worlds, sort of, what we need to do is to download the app, which is called Send Anywhere, and we download it on both devices. So I downloaded it from the iPhone's App Store as well as from the Android's or Samsung's Play Store. So I get the app for free, and then every time I want to share something, for example, a photo, I go to the gallery, make the image go full screen, and when I click on share, the Send Anywhere should definitely be one of the options in here. If it doesn't show up right away, just go to the all apps and all ways of sharing, which should be somewhere at the end, and you should be able to find that option. Once you click on this, you will basically use the app to share it to another device. So on the iPhone, I open up the very same app, but instead of like sharing stuff, I'm going to click on the receive section and I just type in the code from the other device. Right, and when I do this, it should, as long as everything goes well, which it usually does, then it should move the photo over from one device to another. There are some things like ads in between, and considering it's a free service, I don't really mind the ads right there, but you can see that it just moves stuff over very simply and easily, even across different platforms. Because as I said, if I was just sharing photos from one iPhone to another, it would be a different story. I would just use AirDrop, and similarly, I would use the Quick Share for sharing to another Android, but in between the platforms, it gets a little bit more complicated, so that's why we need to use this type of solution. So I hope that I was able to explain it to you and show you a really viable solution for this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.